Phrase pour débutants, apprenez l'anglais sans forcer. Je vais réfléchir à ton plan.
I'll think about your plan. I'll think about your plan. I'll think about your plan.
1001.
1001. 1001. 1001.
Mon ami est enseignant.
My friend is a teacher. My friend is a teacher. My friend is a teacher.
Ils vivent dans une nouvelle maison.
They live in a new house. They live in a new house. They live in a new house.
La surface de la mer est plane.
The surface of the sea is level. The surface of the sea is level. The surface of the sea is level.
J'ai lu le livre jusqu'au bout.
I read the book through. I read the book through. I read the book through.
Merci d'être venu.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
J'aime travailler ici.
I like working here. I like working here. I like working here.
Est-ce votre table à écrire?
Is this your writing table? Is this your writing table? Is this your writing table?
L'ascenseur est descendu.
The lift went down. The lift went down. The lift went down.
Mettez la lampe sur la table.
Put the lamp on the table. Put the lamp on the table. Put the lamp on the table.
La bouteille est tombée de la table.
The bottle fell off the table. The bottle fell off the table. The bottle fell off the table.
Il leva la main.
He held up his hand. He held up his hand. He held up his hand.
Il est sorti en courant de la maison.
He ran out of the house. He ran out of the house. He ran out of the house.
Sortez les pierres.
Take the stones out. Take the stones out. Take the stones out.
Pourquoi les avions peuvent-ils voler?
Why can airplanes fly? Why can airplanes fly? Why can airplanes fly? That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.